Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, part 2 of this, which I called Welding with the Smart Fill tool. And if you didn't watch that, it's pretty interesting. It's pretty new. But I got some clip art that's got some lines through it, and they're, somebody sent me this a while back, and they want to know how to trace it. So I made it pretty small. I'm just going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace, and Clip Art. And I get this trace, and I'm going to go ahead and take it over here, and you can still see the line. And there's actually some trash like right there. So I don't think it's going to affect it, but I'm going to go to group and ungroup it. And then I can grab that trash and get rid of it. There might even be some trash right there, but no. So we've got these quadrants, but the lines aren't really there and it doesn't really matter. So what you can do, and I do it just like what I did with the Smart Fill tool, take this shape and get your Smart Fill tool and fill that in. And when you move that out of the way, let's move over here and then fill it in again, you've got your tree. Now we need to clean up the trunk, but you can see we can take it and go left click, right click, and it is a hairline, but you wouldn't not necessarily want that part of the trunk in there. So I'm going to take the shape tool. I'm going to select these nodes. I'm going to delete them. I'm going to select these nodes and delete them. I'm going to select these two nodes. I'm going to right click and turn them into a line, and that cleared it up. Now, you can take away that node if you wanted a straighter one. You could make your trunk bus longer or whatever you want to do to it. And you could, this is somebody else's tree that they're probably using, but you could clean it up a little bit with the shape tool, maybe not have so many nodes right there, delete some of those nodes, and it would be your tree. And you could actually go through, if you have X7 or above, you could grab the smoothing tool, and we'll just do like 1 inch. I think 1 inch, not 0.1. Get your circle pretty little and just grab it and just minutely kind of change it, and then it'll be your tree. And then all I did was weld them together. I just made 2 trees and put them like this in the ornament. And you really need to watch part 1, or the name of this. It's not part 1, it's just the other one. And then weld it. And then you have 2 trees that you can put into your ornament. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.